Hey everyone, welcome back! Today, I want to walk you through how to withdraw your earnings from ClickWages. It's straightforward, and doesn't require any advanced tech skills. When you've accumulated enough funds in your ClickWages account, start by heading to the Earnings or Wallet section on their website or app. You'll see your current balance and a button or link to request a withdrawal. Click that, and you'll be prompted to choose your withdrawal method, whether that's PayPal, bank transfer, or gift card, depending on what ClickWages supports. Once you've selected your preferred payout option, enter the amount you want to cash out. You'll usually need to confirm your connected account or add new payout details if you haven't done that before. After submitting your request, ClickWages will process it, which can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. It kind of depends on processing times or minimum thresholds. You'll get a confirmation message once the withdrawal is processed, and at that point, you should see the money in your designated account. If anything goes wrong, like missing funds or incorrect payout details, just reach out to ClickWages support. They typically respond within a day or two, and that's about it. Withdrawing from ClickWages is easy once you've earned some money. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment if you run into issues. I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.